Hey, it's Dr. Tucker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, here with a parasite update. The big mystery in my mind was, why the hell do a bunch of Americans think they got parasitic infections? Because you don't. However, in the little chat questions, the concept of Lyme disease and recurrent fever came up multiple times. And those are bacterial infections. Let me be very, very clear. Those are spirochete, prokaryotic bacteria causing chronic illnesses. And those chronic illnesses can lead to autoimmune disease. I mean, I guess Lyme disease is the best example of someone who develops kind of like this chronic autoimmune type disease, Lyme disease. So where did they get this Borrelia burgdorferi spirochete infection? Well, they got it from a tick bite, and the tick is considered a parasite. Saying, now I get it. Okay, so this is no different than, for example, fleas spread bubonic plague. Well, now the flea is in the parasite class. Bubonic plague is a bacterium. Okay, the tick and Rocky Mountain spotted fever or relapsing fever or Lyme's disease. Tick, parasite, disease, bacterial. Okay, now I can think of insects that actually spread parasites like mosquitoes and malaria, but in America, it's not really an issue. Not yet, anyway. Stay tuned, I'm sure.